All right, guys, I want you to imagine real quick that you're a scientist and you walk into the lab one day and you find out that one of your petri dishes that you typically grow bacteria on is contaminated. Typically, you throw it away. You throw it away. But not this guy, Alexander Fleming. And this contamination actually led to probably the most important scientific medical discovery of the past 100, 200 years, maybe even ever in all of time. Now, this guy right up here was Alexander Fleming. And this, not exactly, but a very similar petri dish to the one he found contaminated when he stumbled into his lab. Now, what you'll notice, you'll see bacterial growth up at the top, and then down below, you'll see a fungal growth, right? A fungal growth. And typically, when you see your plate contaminated, toss it away. But he noticed something really interesting about this plate. Around that white growth that's fungus, he noticed no bacteria were growing around it. There was a completely clear zone around that fungal growth. And so he theorized this idea that that fungus was secreting some sort of molecule that was preventing the bacteria from growing. He termed this thing mold juice. That's what he called it originally. Kind of gross sounding, honestly. But that mold juice would later be identified as penicillin. And if you know what penicillin is, it's one of the most widely used antibiotics around the world, used to treat thousands, millions of bacterial infections yearly. And the entire reason it was discovered was because this guy noticed that mold that contaminated his plate was killing bacterial growth. This was the first antibiotic ever discovered and led to a revolution in medicine. Diseases that used to kill us, the plague, strep throat, etc., leprosy, can now be cured. Can now be cured because we discovered antibiotics. What a fascinating, fascinating thing. Contamination on this dude's plate led to the discovery of antibiotics.